Have you ever wondered how to swap faces in Photoshop without looking it fake or taking forever? In this video, I will show you the easiest and fastest way to do it. Trust me, my friends, the results will blow your mind. Here we are in our computer screen, and today I will reveal my master tips for face swap in Photoshop. You can see a beautiful smile of Jim here, and here is Elon Musk greeting you for watching this video and liking this video. However, jokes aside, we will have to copy that face and swap the face right there. So first step is matching the lighting. This is where most people struggle, but with this super amazing technique, you will nail it every time. So keep on watching. So for this purpose, I will tell you how this works. You can see the light is coming from the right front of the face, and similarly here as well, light is also coming from the right front of the face, and here is a bit of shadow, and there's also a shadow area here as compared to the right side. So in our next step, we will have to take the selection of the Jim's face so that we can cut it out. For this purpose, go to selection tools, and in this case I will use lasso tool. You don't have to be very precise. The only advice is to stay away from edges as you can. And here we go. Here is our selection. So I already have selection. I will load it, and while selecting the face layer, press Ctrl or Command plus C to copy the layer, and then go to the other image and press Ctrl or Command plus C plus V to paste it here. So I will recommend to convert it into smart object so that you can scale it up or scale it down without losing the details. So while holding the Alt key on your keyboard, enlarge it with your right click of the mouse so that it looks good for the face you are placing it on. See how simple that it is, but here's a trick to make it look seamless. So don't miss this next part. So here is our face. I will reduce the opacity so that I can see that the face is going good. I will increase the opacity again, and I think it should be a bit larger here. That's good. That's pretty much good. But you can see there are some differences. If I hide the face layer, you can see there are some differences in the facial expressions of Jim and the expressions of Elon. So the forehead is a bit different, and the jaws area is also a bit different. So to do that, copy the Elon layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J on your keyboard, and go to filter liquify. From here, go down and make sure that show backdrop is checked on. From here, select the layer 1, which is our face layer, and you can choose the opacity from somewhere 70 to 80%. Remember, my friends, this should be checked that the layer is in front. So by liquify layer, by liquify brush, start changing the expressions so that you match as much as you can. I think this is pretty awesome. For this, I will press OK, and here is before and here is after. So now we will have to take the selection. First, I will suggest to get in another copy of the layer. Press Ctrl or Command plus J, and then rasterize the layer so that we can take the selections and merge the layers. While selecting the Elon layer beneath the face layer, press right click while holding the control button or command button on your keyboard on the thumbnails of the face layer. And here we have our selection, and go to select, modify, and contract. Here we will have to contract our selection so that the face blends seamlessly to the layer beneath. So in this case I will go with 18. You can try your contraction pixels as per your image, so you can take the reference from this. I think this is pretty much good. Remember, the layer beneath the face is selected, and then press delete key so that we can delete the areas beneath. You can see the face is deleted. With that selection being active, click on the face layer and press controller command, and then also select the layer beneath. Then go to edit, auto blend layers, and with these settings press OK. Awesome, isn't it? You can see how seamless faces are replaced. And here is our whole procedure that Photoshop has done for us. And just like that, we are almost done. But there is a final step to make it perfect. Let's wrap it up. Select the topmost layer and the last layer in the series and group them all. And here I will name it new face or gym face. You can see there is a lot of improvement in the faces. Here's before and here is after. So if you want to remove some edges, or if you want to match the perspective and match the layers seamlessly, go to mask and add a mask to the folder. Take a soft round brush from here and choose a flow for somewhere 5, and make sure that black color is on top, and paint on the areas of the boundaries like this. So that you get better results. Here we go. This is our face swap. See how simple that it is? Let me show in the comments or what we can name it. If this trick saved your time, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials and Photoshop hacks, drop a comment if you want to see videos like this. I will see you in the next video. This is Sham signing off. Bye bye.